Hi, my name is Mina Pence from Beauty World, Wilmington, North Carolina. Today you're going to learn how to make your lace wig look natural. Materials you need to make your lace wig look naturals are, one of the materials are oil-free wig shine. These are three different type of lace wig here. Synthetic fiber, this is synthetic but you can also curl. This is called Futura fiber, better than synthetic fiber. And this is Remy hair, which is 100% human hair. In order to make your synthetic lace wig more natural, you're going to want to spray some wig shine that is oil free. It has to be oil free, or if there's oil containing it, it'll break down the fiber, the synthetic fiber. It doesn't matter with the Remy, but with even the Futura fiber, you're going to want to use oil free wig shine. Just spray it all around, and you can use your hand or brush to go through them, okay? And also in the front, to make it look more natural, after either you used glue or tape to attach the lace, you're going to want to use your foundation and blend the lace into your forehead. And if you have powder, you can also put some powder onto the lace. That'll even make it look better. I'm Mina Pence from Beauty World, Wilmington, North Carolina. Today you learn how to make your lace look natural.